welcome. You're watching To The Point. I'm Anjana Om Kashyap. It's a big India Today impact. A day after India Today expose, ACB conducts raids in PWD scam. ACB has carried out searches in the office of PWD in the Outer Delhi area early in the morning today. The Anti-Corruption Bureau had registered cases in PWD scam worth rupees 10 crores. India Today brought this expose right in front of you, showed you how bills were paid, fake bills were made, and PWD was made to pay for it. The anti-graft case has now moved forward. A big impact of the India Today expose and raids have been conducted by the Anti-Corruption Bureau in the PWD office. And so we say it's time now for the real test. The man who asked everyone to give an Agni Pariksha is now not ready to answer the questions. Will the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, resign? India Today exposes massive PWD scam in Arvind government. Contracts were awarded to Kejriwal's deceased brother-in-law, and Kejriwal now not ready to practice what he preaches. For a fair probe, will the Kejriwal government, even more the CM himself, resign?
And who shared the stage with Anna Hazare is inviting his ire.
अगर अरविंद केजरीवाल पर सीबीआई की जांच होकर वो दोषी है, ये अगर मुझे समझ में आ गया तो मैं फिर एक बार जंतर मंतर पर बैठ जाऊंगा, इस्तीफा दे दे.
The trigger were these documents accessed by India Today, which point to nepotism, to the way Arvind Kejriwal favored his closest relatives, turning a blind eye to corruption in PWD. The documents revealed how the Chief Minister's brother-in-law submitted forged bills worth 2 crore rupees, carrying out a construction project in northwest Delhi.
This drain is not cheap. It is a drain worth 10 crore rupees. 10 crore was sanctioned to make this drain, and this is how the drain looks at the moment. Hardly a year or so, already broken and unfinished, open situation of the drain. Not covered, not completed, unfinished work, and making unhealthy for the surrounding here.
When cornered with facts, the Delhi government had a very weak defense.
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मंत्री तक नहीं आते हैं, मंत्री को नहीं पता होता है. जो प्रोसीजर है उस प्रोसीजर के हिसाब से उन्होंने काम किया होगा, उसके हिसाब से जो पेमेंट हुई होगी हुआ होगा.
The opposition meanwhile had a field day in Delhi seeking Kejriwal's resignation.
अरविंद केजरीवाल तो इस बात के पक्षधर रहे हैं भाई कि मुख्यमंत्री भी अगर भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप में हो तो उनकी जांच होनी चाहिए, और जैसा वो कहे थे आज आ गया.
Very clearly, you must have an inquiry on this, and it cannot be anything but a judicial inquiry. I mean, anything else, the government will manipulate.
This is not all. An RTI activist, Sanjeev Jain, claims to have solid proof about foreign trips made by various Aam Aadmi Party leaders being funded by slush money.
मेरे पे दिल्ली सरकार द्वारा आरटीआई से जो कागज आए थे उसमें मुझे पता चला कि दिल्ली सरकार के मंत्री विदेशी दौरों पे गए थे. अगर इन आरोपों की जांच की जाए तो इसमें दोषी मिलेंगे दिल्ली सरकार के मंत्री, तो ये तो जांच एजेंसियों का काम है.
The Aam Aadmi Party was meanwhile busy protesting outside the Election Commission on the EVM tampering issue. And when confronted about the allegations against party leaders, the India Today reporter found himself the target of abuses and jibes.
Of India Today has been that we expose the story, we expose the uncomfortable truth, we expose the truth that needs to be told to the power that be, and we at India Today will continue to do so, but probably that has not gone down well with the people around.
One jolt after the other, from election defeats to rebellion and now to nepotism charges. The Aam Aadmi Party, it seems, has lost the plot, at least for now. Shivendra Srivastav, Parvina Purkayastha, this is Bureau Report, India Today.
First corruption charge straight at the CM's door. Will he come out? Will he speak on this? Will he think of resigning so that a fair probe can be done. We're joined by AAP spokesperson Ashish Khaitan, Congress spokesperson Priyanka Chaturvedi, BJP leader Nupur Sharma is joining us, columnist Tehseen Poonawalla and advocate for petitioner Kislay Pandey joins me on this debate. We'll have to wait a little more for Ashish Khaitan and Nupur Sharma to join me. But before I go to them, I first want to come to you, Priyanka. What do you make out of this? Now, there's been a huge impact. The Anti-Corruption Bureau has actually raided the PWD offices. There's a huge gap between what he said and what he's practicing today. Preaching a lot, but when it comes to practice, should Arvind Kejriwal step down for a fair probe?
So absolutely, this is something that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal during his India Against Corruption movement said would be his philosophy. This is how other political parties should work. This was his point of attack when we were in government. As soon as he starts a political party, he promises to the people of Delhi absolute clean governance, transparent governance. And one day after the other, we see such kind of scams breaking out. Shunglu Committee report had very categorically indicted the government for all the wrongdoings possible, for how they were misusing the funds that were allotted to them, how they were using it for their own public relations and media relations. So this is what they have been practicing while they were preaching something else when they were not in power. So just to ensure that his own personal credibility is not at stake, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal should immediately initiate a judicial inquiry and step down till then, now that the corruption charges are at his door. And not just from one place.
He doesn't seem ready. He doesn't seem ready at all. No, Priyanka, he doesn't seem ready at all. And even more, I want to come to you, Kislay, now. He says, which is Satyen Jain, the PWD minister right now says, that this contract was given before Aam Aadmi came to power. We came to power in February 2015 and this contract was awarded in January 2015. So don't ask us. We are saying the bills that were put forth were fake, were of a company that did not exist. Number two, he says, stop asking me, a minister doesn't see every bill, so go and ask the PWD secretary. Do these arguments stand somewhere, Kislay?
These are absolutely bogus, irrelevant excuses and having no relevance and no value in the eyes of law. Because the award of contract is not an offense, kindly appreciate.
Okay.
The commission, the actual forgery, fraud and fabrication and pecuniary loss to the public exchequer was caused in the regime of Mr. Kejriwal and thereby he is responsible for various offense acts and deeds, for creating pressure, for reimbursement of these fake and fraudulent bills, etc. So the award of contract is not an offense. Still, any crime is associated with it.
So the big point is, I want to come to you now, Tehseen Poonawalla. The big point is that when these contracts were rewarded, fine, you were not in power. You came to power after a month when the Renu Constructions company was awarded this contract. But the bills they put forth, now this company is owned by Arvind Kejriwal's brother-in-law, deceased brother-in-law, Mr. Bansal. Mr. Bansal then puts forth bills from a company that does not exist. Our reporters have gone there. There is no such company and the bills have been floated.
Reimbursed completely.
Yeah, completely reimbursed by PWD. Now my question is, the skin business is very important and that is why we've got you into the debate. Because every time there was something around a congressman, it was said that because he's a relative, because Robert Vadra is a relative, so Sonia Gandhi should come down or resign as Congress chief, or Rahul Gandhi should resign as Congress chief, or the minister should resign. A whole lot of accusations were made. This skin business, now he's a very close relative. Mr. Bansal was a brother-in-law. Now what?
So first of all, Anjana, congratulations on the story. I saw it last night when you all broke it and it's fantastic. And you know what disappoints about Arvind Kejriwal is when Arvind Kejriwal ji became Chief Minister of Delhi, there was so much of hope. He promised that he would do what he said, a new kind of politics. These are standards he claimed to have set. And like Priyanka rightly said, since he claimed to have set those standards, he needs to now step down. Had there even been a Lokpal, which he had promised the people of Delhi, his own Lokpal would have indicted him today. Fact is, when it came to Robert or anybody else, Arvind Kejriwal indulged in shoot and scoot, despite, and let me put on record, Robert getting a clean sheet from the Supreme Court. Arvind Kejriwal always indulged in shoot and scoot. Why is he now being thick-skinned? All everyone's asking Arvind Kejriwal is apply the same standards he expected applied to other
Apply
people.
the
that he
same
expected of other
standards,
people.
absolutely,
But
and
there's
that
one
is
more
where I
little
want to
thing,
take
once
this
before
debate
joint, I would
forward. We
like
have
to ask-
Ashish Khaitan. Tehseen, I'm coming back to you. Apply the same standards, and that is why, Ashish Khaitan, my question to you is position of power, manipulation of probe. Do these words, Ashish, remind you of something? Do they remind you of the times when you were, I'm not so sure if you were there at that time, but Ram Leela Maidan, when you promised that you would make Delhi the first corruption-free state? Does that ring a bell? That the Chief Minister should resign for a fair probe?
Let me just put all the facts before the viewers. I think an impression is being created that somehow Arvind Kejriwal has misused his position as Chief Minister to benefit any private company or a relative.
Yes.
This is completely not true, because first of all, the tender was awarded to the company in question when Arvind Kejriwal was not even the Chief Minister.
We've said that
when
already.
Even the votes were not cast for the government. The tender was awarded.
We've
on
made
the
that
4th
clear.
of-
We've
4th
made that
of
clear,
February
sir.
2015, a good 12 days before. Yeah, number two.
We're talking fake
Number two,
bills
then
here.
what could be the accusation? The accusation is that this company has, yes, let me complete, Anjana, that this company has given some bills which are apparently fake. I will show you a letter by Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. This letter dated May 29, 2015. I would ask the camera person to focus on this letter.
Yes.
Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee has certified the work done by this company, and there is not just one-page report. This report of Indian Institute of Technology runs into 10 pages, which has passed the work done by this company and all the parameters.
Okay.
After which the payment was made.
So this is not a new paper you're showing. This is
Nationwide.
part of the judicial
Let me
record.
complete one more point, Anjana. It is important
Can you wait for
everybody
Mr. Kislay, who's the advocate? Who's the advocate? He wants to respond to what you're saying,
Let me
Ashish.
complete.
Ashish, okay, fine, go ahead. Okay, fine, go ahead. Fine, go ahead.
Let me just complete. 1 second it will take. Yeah. Number three, there are PWD departments across the country, and they see PWD in the center. All those viewers who are watching this program, I want to tell them, in PWD department, in CPWD departments, payment are not made as per the bill submitted by the contractor. Payment is done on the basis of the measurement and quantitative and qualitative assessment of the work done, not on the basis of the bill submitted. And this is the certificate of Indian Institute of Technology, which has certified all the work. Do you think that any Chief Minister can manipulate this kind of a report?
Okay, fine. Mr.
by
Kislay wants
the
to respond to
Indian
that.
Institute of Technology?
Mr. Kislay wants to respond to that,
We
sir.
are releasing this report.
You made your
Just a sec. These are all my documents which I have filed before court, and these are not new piece of papers. Number one. Number two, that it is not just a payment of a contender contract. All the forged bill and fabricated documents have been reimbursed by the government. Kindly appreciate. Number one. Number two, this is the matter of great concern. That for a non-existent work, for a non-existent material, how did you get the payment from the department without the pressure of Mr. Kejriwal? And we have the eyewitnesses of the admission of the public officers that we are under the pressure of Mr. Kejriwal to cooperate with Mr. Bansal to allow all his bills, no matter it is forged, fictitious, fabricated, whatever it is.
Can I respond, Anjana?
Yes,
Please.
absolutely, Mr.
Nowhere
Khaitan.
in the country, payments to contractors are made on the basis of bills.
These bills are very
not
much
reimbursed by
these bills.
contractors.
It is not
These are the bills that have been
just a bill.
reimbursed.
It is the basis
Let
of
me
payment.
respond.
Kindly
I did
appreciate.
not speak
It is
over
the
you.
basis of payment, and these
I'm
bills
not
have been
What are you
reimbursed.
saying?
Please update your
Mr.
record.
Ashish
Please
Khaitan.
update your
Please,
record.
you don't want
Do
bills
not
are raised
mislead.
and payments
Do not
made.
mislead. Do not mislead.
Okay.
Do not mislead.
Mr. Ashish, bills are raised, payments made. That's
These
the
bills have been
procedure.
passed by the department.
And these bills have been passed by the
department.
PWD department. The big allegation is that for
Anjana,
the Chief Minister's
Anjana,
relative, why
Anjana,
are you scared of a fair probe? Sir, you can say 10 things. I'm sure you have 10 arguments. There can be 10 arguments from the
I
other
respond,
side.
Anjana?
But an FIR has been registered by the ACB. Raids have been conducted. You once talked of transparency. You once said that position of power can be used to mislead the probe. Why are you scared of a fair probe today, Ashish? That's my question to you. If the state exchequer was fleeced in this manner by fake bills, it's an accusation. Right, I accept that. It's an accusation. Why not step down for a fair probe?
I want to add something.
Go ahead.
Okay. Anjana,
Kindly appreciate the law. Section 468 of IPC clearly says using forged document as a genuine, knowing it to be forged and fictitious, is a forgery, Mr. Khaitan.
Okay.
Kindly update your record.
Okay, now let him respond to that. Please, Ashish, go ahead.
Anjana, I think the panelists and the lawyers, there are people here who are out on a witch hunt, on a smear campaign. And there is a plot, there is a script that they have written. Every day they throw new muck. I am talking on the basis of facts. Let me respond. See,
Ashish,
if you
this
don't
almost
want,
sounds like a Congress minister speaking in 2009
you
or
can have all these
2013.
panelists, you can discuss it among yourselves. You don't need to have an Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson on your program then.
No, you please
if
go
you
ahead.
Can't even allow me to
my
speak for
questions
2
are for you,
seconds, then you
Ashish,
don't
today.
need to have me on your program.
Go ahead, answer.
Nobody is allowing me to speak.
Speak.
Nobody is allowing me to speak.
Speak.
First of all, the probe is being done by EOW, which is part of Delhi Police, and Anti-Corruption Bureau, which is part of Delhi Police. The whole world knows that we have zero control or zero authority over Delhi Police. We have no control.
So good.
Delhi Police doesn't report to us. So the probe is neutral. Who is scared of the probe? Please probe us by all means, using all the agencies. There is not a single agency in the country which has not been set after us. Please probe us.
Okay,
Number one.
Please
Number
wait,
two,
let him complete. No, please wait, let him complete. I'll come to you immediately after that.
There is
Let him
zero
complete.
impropriety. There is zero impropriety on the part of any elected minister or chief minister in this case. The tender was awarded when there was president's rule in Delhi, when there was BJP which was ruling Delhi. The certificate of completion of work has been certified by the Indian Institute of Technology. On all the parameters, the Indian Institute of Technology is saying that the work passes the muster, the quality, the payment have been made, and if at all there is anything wrong, please probe us by all means. But why is this smear campaign against the Chief Minister?
You're just running a smear campaign. Nupur Sharma, your party is just running a smear campaign. Go ahead with the investigations.
The company was doing work in MCD, in other governments for the last 25 years.
Okay, Nupur Sharma.
The tender was awarded.
Can I answer, or is it going to be a bhashan by Ashish Khaitan?
How is this government responsible for
Okay, fine. Let Nupur respond to that,
done.
Ashish.
आशीष अच्छा ठीक है अब दूसरों की बात सुन लो
smear campaign.
आशीष
This is
अरे
a
यार
witch
दूसरों
hunt.
की दंड ढूंढ लो
Income tax department,
Irrespective
enforcement
of
directorate,
who-
CBI,
One
Delhi
second,
police,
Ashish,
they
here-
have set loose all these agencies against us.
अच्छा can I
What is
answer now,
what
please
is the
can I
script?
answer
The script is that every
और
day
Anjana
we
is
will
it
come
a
out with new
monologue by
accusations.
Ashish Khaitan
No,
And you will
absolutely.
keep responding to this accusation.
Ashish
You will
made
keep
your
saying
point.
this accusation
Ashish
in the
please
hope
you
that
got your
something will
chance
stick
please
against
hear
you.
the other part
Ashish, you've made your
please
point.
allow us to respond
Okay.
this is ridiculous
Okay.
he's showing his nervousness please may I
Yeah.
please now first and foremost irrespective of who grants the tender parting with public money is the responsibility of the government which clears
Absolutely.
such bills. Nothing absolves you, irrespective of who grants the tender or the contract, nothing absolves the government which clears such bill. In the current case, Mr. Ashish Khaitan himself rose the issue of the EOW pursuing this case. Mind you, Mr. Khaitan, the EOW in its pursuance before the courts of law has brought forward witnesses who are government servants of your own government, not ours by the way, bureaucrats and officials of your own Delhi government who've deposed as eyewitnesses and have on oath accepted that there was pressure from the Chief Minister himself. That means that the Chief Minister was in some kind of desperation to clear the bills before the works were completed. Such kind of urgency is never shown in government works. Before the work on the drain was completed, the bills were cleared first by the CM.
Okay, fine.
Arvind Kejriwal's own intervention.
Before Ashish responds to that,
don't try to play around. Even if you bring about an IIT report.
Just a minute. Okay, Tehsin, go ahead.
Even if you bring about an IIT report, the response is in the RTI reply.
The response is on the RTI reply by your own government. The response is RTI, to response to RTI is by your own government. So who do we believe, IIT report or your government?
Okay, before Ashish responds to that, Tehseen.
Can I respond to that?
Just a minute, because everyone is pointing fingers at you today, so I want them to complete so that you can respond to everyone at the end. Tehseen, go ahead.
Okay, so quickly, a couple of points. First of all, Ashish Bhai, it was unfair of you to say everyone's biased towards you. There is no bias. These are standards that y'all have set. There was a lot of hope when y'all came to power. Y'all made allegations, y'all set the standards. Since y'all did set the standards, why don't y'all follow up on that standards? That's point number one. Point number two, there's a question that needs to be asked of the BJP as well. Since
I'm afraid we're running really short of time.
EOW is not under them. Why does the
I'm
BJP
sorry, I'll have
not
to come in there. We're really running out of time. Ashish, can you just respond to that in one line? Because she's saying that it's in the RTI response. It's your government which said all this.
One line is, one line response is, Anjana, that if ever anybody can prove that the chief minister or the minister, any minister in this government has exercised his influence to release the payments which were not in order, we will all quit politics.
For a
if
fair
anybody
probe,
can prove that.
We have heard this Ashish before.
There
for
are
a fair
blatant
probe
lies
is
which
the
are being
question.
peddled here. I did
I'm
not
afraid
speak
we
for
have to run in.
anybody.
The only question and the proposition is, for a fair probe, the man who said in Ramleela that I'll make Delhi the first state which is corruption free, shouldn't he resign so that a fair probe is done?